Thanks for stopping on in for today's discussion video where we're going to work our way through 3 steps that can ensure you get as many views on your YouTube content as possible as you try to grow your channel into the future. Whether you're someone who's under 1,000 subscribers and looking to grow and battle your way in to the upper tier rankings, or you're already to that point and are just looking for more tips and tricks, I'm hoping that this video can help you guys out. So we have 3 steps here. We're going to start with the toughest step and what I feel is the most important in terms of getting views to your content and your channel, and that's going to be creating videos that get a lot of searches but don't have a lot of competition. It's hard to pick out the videos that are going to have that. I have a couple of examples here. So for instance, unboxing an iPhone X. There's going to be a lot of people that are looking for this type of content. As you can see here, the top video has over 10 million views, but also there's just an absurd amount of competition for this particular search term. The entire first page is already filled up with all of these different unboxing videos of the iPhone X. So it's going to be tough, especially for smaller channels just starting out, to get your video into the upper tier rankings of a search term like this. So probably not a video that you want to make. I have another example here, how to live on the planet Venus. Now, I don't see any videos here on YouTube that specifically describe how you could live on the planet Venus. So low competition certainly, but the negative side is there's not a lot of people that are going to be searching for this particular term. So even if you do make a video, you're probably going to have it right at the top of the search, but you're not going to get a ton of people that are looking for information on how to do this. So a bad example in terms of a lot of people that are going to want to search for this particular term. So both of these examples are different in the fact that they check off one of the boxes, but not both of them. The key to any YouTuber out there is to make sure that you check both boxes, especially if you're just starting out in your small channel. You want to make sure that you're creating content that a lot of people are searching for, but there's not a lot of competition for. So a lot of brainstorming and just searching on YouTube to see how much competition are going to be under these different ideas you might come up with. So moving our way into step 2. Now, in this one, once you've decided the video that you're going to make, so for instance, just off the top of my head, maybe you're wanting to make a how-to video on how to change the oil in your F-150. So once you've made that video and you're uploading it to YouTube, you want to make sure that you have as many keywords within your title as well as your description as possible. And the way that you can go about doing that is just testing out different searches in this YouTube search bar here. And they're going to have a drop-down menu of things that people are searching for commonly. So let's just type in F-150 how to change oil. And you can see there's all of these different things that pop up. So the higher they are on this list, the more that they have been searched for. So make sure you just absolutely load up your title and your description with all of these different search terms and phrases, and just whatever you think someone would type in to try to find your video, you can start typing it in here. And YouTube's search recommendations are just a tremendous tool in terms of getting those search terms and increasing your relevancy by having those search terms within your description and your title. Now, your tags, I don't feel like tags have much of an impact. I've made videos with tags, without tags. It doesn't really seem to affect the viewership all that much. So take that for whatever it's worth. Now, working our way into step 3, which isn't quite as important as the first 2 steps. If you knock it out of the park with the first 2 steps, you're almost guaranteed to be in the upper tier of the searches. But step 3 is going to be making a thumbnail that's very attractive. So right now I'm on YouTube trending, and just these first 3 examples here, I'm going to say which ones are doing a good job, which ones aren't doing such a good job. So the first one here on YouTube trending, this is a really awful thumbnail. I don't even know what this video is going to be about by looking at that thumbnail. If someone can look at your thumbnail and know exactly what they're going to be watching and have a reason to watch it, then that's going to be important. So just looking at this first thumbnail here, I'm not impressed. It's just a picture of somebody running. I have no idea what the video is going to be about, and I'm not all that interested in finding out. So the second video here on YouTube trending, $1,000 bagel. You have a couple of guys here that, I don't know, one looks like he's eating, one looks like he's maybe discussing just what this bagel is. It's got a little description here, worth it. So you can pretty much get an entire idea of what this video is going to be about. Very good thumbnail. And then the third video here on YouTube trending, we have puppy surprise with a cute dog. any kind of cute dog you have in your thumbnail that's relevant to your video is probably going to get clicks, and also a nice big text here so you can see exactly what this video is about. So that's going to wrap up step 3 here. So we worked our way through the 3 steps. If you're able to have success in all of these different aspects, you're almost guaranteed to get yourself a lot of views on whichever content you make. I hope it was helpful. For more content, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, questions, or just some tidbits that you want to throw in to help people out that I missed, you can throw those down in the comment section as well. Thanks guys for stopping on in, and we hope to see you in future videos. Bye.